to review. Today we created our ball and followed a few principles of animation, giving it a stage, learning about anticipation, and giving the ball some bounce with some stretch and squash. Join us for Southeast Technical College's portfolio show to view the creative works of Southeast Tech's media design students, as well as our digital media production students. It only takes 2 milligrams of fentanyl to overdose. The most prominent signs of fentanyl overdose include pinpoint pupils, blue lips and nails, and unconsciousness. I'm set to graduate soon, May 7th, 2022, with an associate's degree in digital media production. Electric Forest is one of my favorite things in the whole world, and I feel I finally have the skills to give back to the event in my own way. I want to create animations for Electric Forest as part of the visual magic that makes the festival so special.
Honey, why don't you take that off, huh?
Take what off? That says me now!
Heard that before.
That says me now! That says me now! That says me now!
I put it down for the hometown. The whole city rocking with me now. Ain't nobody gonna stop me. I got the whole game like G. I don't even need to say it, you already know. Oh, I funk shit up on the daily.